learning understanding circles, a fun guide for grade 3. Welcome to a entry into the word circles. Today we're going to explore what makes a circle special, learn about its parts and how we see them all around us every day. A circle. A circle is a perfectly round shape. Imagine a shape where every single point on its outside edge is exactly the same distance from its middle. That circle is a continuous, never-ending curve, smooth all the way around. Unlike shapes like squares or triangles that have sharp corners and three sides, a circle has none. It flows without any stops or bumps, making it neat and easy to roll. No corners or sides, smooth and round. Curves are wonderfully smooth. They don't have any pointy corners or straight edges, which is why they move so easy. They have sides and sharp corners. The circle is different. It's a continuous curve, perfect for rolling because they're hanging around. Sounds are ideal for things that need to roll, like wheels on a car or a ball. Center of a circle. Every circle has a raised natural spot in its middle. We call it the center. Imagine it like the heart of the circle, where everything starts. All parts of the circle are measured from the center point. It's the anchor that keeps the circle perfectly round and balanced. Let's think the radius. The radius is a straight line that goes from the center of the circle to any point on the outside edge. Now when you draw a radius of the circle, as long as it starts from the center and ends with the edge, should always be the exact when you make it. You can't understand how big a circle is from the middle point. Discovering the diameter. The diameter is another important line of the circle. It's all the way across the circle from one side of the edge to the other. Diameter versus radius, the relationship. Radius, halfway across. The radius is like walking from the center of the circle around to its edge. It's half the journey across. Diameter all the way across. The diameter is like walking straight across the playground on one side to the other. Passing right to the middle. The special rule is the cool part. The diameter is always exactly twice as long as the radius. So the radius is 4 centimeters, the diameter is 8 centimeters. Circles in our world. Circles aren't just shaped in the blocks. Look, they're everywhere. When you find them in the wheels that lights and cars smooth, the blocks are tight and even your favorite healer. Let's think circumference. Now that we know about side, radius, and diameter, let's talk about the circumference. The circumference is the total distance all the way around the outside edge of a circle. Imagine you unroll the edge of a circle and make a straight line. Imagine you could unroll the edge of a circle and make a straight line. The length of that line would be a circumference. That makes a perimeter of shapes for a circle. So change in summary. Chance question. If a pizza has a radius 6 centimeters, what's the diameter? And when you can walk all the way around the circle, how far would that be? Hint. So I don't read the hint, but you can just read it. I find the view. Key takeaways. A circle is a perfect round shape with no corners. The center is the midpoint. The radius goes from the center to the edge. And the diameter goes across the middle to the center, twice the radius. The circumference is the distance around the entire circle. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.